All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back here at the racetrack, good old 42, and we got the RS5 John Doe back out here with finally the unclogged intake, and we're gonna see what she can do. And for those of you that don't know, this is the 2.9 liter twin turbo. All it has is the ECS intake that I just upgraded and a catback exhaust, stock downpipes with the cats and all that, everything else stock tuned, just on 93 octane fuel. So here we go.
Here we go.
So at this time, I need all of my slick tires, please. Make sure you stop at the
Nice. 11.95. He got his 11. He'll be happy.
All right, guys, we're back here after the first pass. Let me show you this slip real quick. It was a horrible run because, as you can see, my 60-foot got worse because I didn't see the light wasn't going to go down for so long, and I messed up my launch. All right, guys, we are back from the track. Here's a quick overview real quick. There's my first pass where I did the terrible 180 60 foot because of, what you saw in the video, 11.95 at 115. And then the second one, I am on the right. There's the 172, and then I did the 11.80 at 116, much better. So definitely a big difference with this intake. So guys, stay tuned because I did get my delivery from 034 Motorsports today. It's gonna be a tune. I have not decided which tune I'm gonna go with. Also some other goodies in the box I'll show you in my next video. All right, guys, if you like this, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. I got wheelchair stuff, car stuff, and more music on the way, guys. All right, thanks.